From EnTSUPER to EnTSUPERneur, ini po yung programang duduwang na ning Department of Transportation o DOTR, ang po ning Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE ang magsilbing sawup kareng driver, operator at aliwapang talapagobra ang miapektuan king Local Public Transportation Route Plan so LPTRP at PUV Modernization Program. Lalam na po ning programa, malyari lang tanggap working capital ding benepisyaryo at imong gamit pang negosyo, basic training, GSIS microinsurance, ampong business advisory at monitoring services. Kabang abe naman kareng negosyo, ang malyaring maging benepisyaryo ding nego card, agribusiness, health and wellness at ecotourism kalupan na ning processed food, crafts and services. Abe mo naman kareni ing manufacturing, wholesale at retail trade. Pamaglino na po ni gobyerno alang cash, amibye direkta karempong beneficiaries. Kaya be kareng malyaring tanggap kananing benepisyo ring miyembro da ring kooperatiba at empleyado da ring korporasyon. Super, operator, konduktor, dispatcher, mekaniko at aliwapang allied workers at management staff. Makanyan mo naman ding individual driver o operator. Samantala, amuyutan na lamo naman ning Technical Education and Skills Development Program o TESDA ang mag-avail king programa rang Super Scholar. Anasang mamye scholarship ang popong livelihood training kareni pong apektadong super, operator at miyembro na po ning karelang pamilya. At inya po kanong kayabing training support in karelang scholarship at katumbasing 350 pesos balang aldo at imong food and transportation allowance kilubning hanggang 35 days.